Hi, I'm Janet Kaplun, editor and founder of Hispana Global. If you're like my familia and me, when tax season arrives, it always gets pretty stressful. Now I really understand why my dad always entrusted a professional to deal with his taxes. The issue is that there are things you can try to do on your own, but there are so many laws and regulations, and they change every single year, that I've learned it pays to have an ongoing relationship with a trusted tax professional. As a small business owner, it's also important to have year-round support so you can organize and plan adequately for your tax filing.
You cannot do any activity in the United States without having an accounting system, even a simple one, and also a filing system in which you can file, or you have to file, everything related to expenses. It's important to get people with experience on the activity that you want to do.
No matter whether it's your first time filing a tax return in the US or you've done it dozens of times, if you have questions, it always pays off to consult an expert in the field. I've learned that already. Looking at the forms, I've been confused more than once, and I don't really know what can be deducted as an expense or not. Si no hablas inglés, no te preocupes, porque hay empresas como HRBlog que tienen sitios de ayuda en español y también profesionales de habla hispana. And if you're comfortable in English, of course, you can access any of its over 10,000 offices close to your community where you can even process applications for tax ID numbers and other services.
My final word of advice is I found a way to save a lot of money. And the best way to save a lot of money is to pay all the taxes.
And finally, don't wait until the last minute to file your tax return. That way, you'll avoid unneeded stress. Hasta la próxima, soy Janet Kaplun de Hispana Global. Chao.